Hey y'all, so here I'm doing an unboxing of Newark's new Multicomp Pro Series, their USB soldering iron. So I've been looking for a soldering iron for a while. I want something bigger than those fire starters, the little sticks, and I want something that was like the TS80 or the TS100, but a little less expensive. So I got an email saying that these were now available, and it was only $49.99, so I went ahead and picked one up. And I'm doing the unboxing right now. So there it is. Everything that's in that box. So let's see, I'm just gonna take this out. Nice stand. Soldering iron holder. Oh, that's nice. USB extender plus what looks like a little grounding clip. And last but not least, the actual iron itself. Oh, that made a satisfying pop. So yeah, it looks like these are using the TS D25 soldering tips. So all you have to do is just plug that in and your soldering tip is ready to use. I'm just going to go ahead and plug that in here. And so this is the controller. And it looks like it has a lot of scratches on the screen, but I think that's just, yeah, there we go. There's just a protective film on it. Oh yeah, that's beautiful. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and get a power bank and I'm gonna turn this on.